and I really feel like crying after what you said about those. You should remember you're dead. When I am young, and I don't know so much, but really, I really felt something when you said that. Okay, this is just a short history about what happened during the second Hijri. This was the second Hijri year. This was the second year of migration to Medina. This was one of the most important years in the history of Islam. There were some very huge events that took place. First one, well, we all perform it every day. Salah, the Isra wal Mi'raj, the huge event. The huge event that took place when the Prophet ﷺ was taken up to the heavens he was taken up to the heavens by Jibreel and there was this animal, I don't remember his name. But he was taken up to the heavens and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rewarded us. He gave us this, He ordered us to perform this ibadah called Salah. This took place in the second year of Hijra. It was only a short period that the Muslims had gained, like they were free from the oppression of the pagans in Mecca. Only 1 year, and he was already given his duties. Then we can move on to during the month of Ramadan. We all fast, and we already have. It's only been 1 year, and we already have 2 pillars of Islam established: Salah and Saum in Ramadan. And then we also have zakat, which is compulsory upon every working man, earning man. Zakat was also made compulsory in the second year. There was also the Muslims were so influential that as soon as they entered Medina, 1 year was on and the entire Medina was occupied with Muslims. They were all, Islam spread out through the entire Medina, and also some of its neighboring cities. And people came to Prophet ﷺ, Jewish scholars came to Prophet ﷺ asking for guidance. And there was this one rabbi, Jewish rabbi. Okay, he was established. He was well known for his teachings. He came to the Prophet ﷺ and he was influenced. And he accepted Islam. His name was Abdullah bin Salam. And he accepted Islam after meeting the Prophet ﷺ. Just one meeting.